Welcome back to Nomad Garage. Today we're going to finish up the electrical on the Nomad, and we're going to take it for a drive, test it out. What's with the Seattle Seahawk sweatshirt? We're not.
It's the only thing I could find that's close to wear.
It's the only thing you can find that's clean.
No, that was right next to me.
We're not in Seattle anymore, pal. Installed the new water temp sensor, hooked up the oil pressure sensor back here, getting ready to install the dash cluster. Got everything labeled for future reference. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on here behind the instrument cluster. You got left-hand turn, instrument light, gas gauge, another instrument light. Oh wait, that's temp gauge. These are gas gauge. Another instrument light, right-hand turn. And you got generator light, high beam, oil pressure light, and some more instrument lights. Speedometer cable. For the gear selector to work, this little guy right here is hooked up in here, and then this end right here needs to hook into the side of the steering column right here. I was able to get that in there by wrapping a thread around the hook and pulling it down as I installed the cluster, and then pushing it into place once the cluster was in place. Let's test it out. I put together the steering wheel and the horn. Put this guy in first. Next, I want to install this piece. It's got, this would be concave. Upside down would be convex. So we want to make sure we put the concave side down. That's followed by this little plastic ring, keeping everything, all the holes lined up. That's followed by this little orange bushing. Finally installed the screws, and just getting them snug enough so you have some play in the steering wheel. We installed a new horn relay, didn't have one before. All right, Chick, we're gonna test, go through the checklist, making sure everything works. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Lights. Parking lights?
Yep.
Headlights?
Yes.
They both come on?
Yep.
Okay. Brights?
Yep.
Turn signal?
Yep.
Left?
Yeah. No.
Right?
Yep.
Good lights?
Yep.
How about on the license plate?
Oh yeah, those work.
They both work?
Yeah.
Okay. How about turn signal? On the right?
Yeah.
Left?
Yep.
Interior light?
Yes.
Jacob, I want to test the horn. I got an idea. Do you know what I'm thinking?
I know exactly what you're thinking.
All right, so once you'd be looking right here, get right here, get okay, and you're looking for a spark, okay?
Okay.
So don't worry, you're not gonna get electrified or anything. You're just gonna stand here and watch for a spark.
Okay.
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 You ready, cameraman Jacob?
Yeah.
Got it running?
Yep.
Okay. Watch for spark. Ready?
It's not gonna burn my face.
No, it's not gonna burn your face.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
That was a prank. That was not real. That was a, I'm out of here.
Does that mean?
No.
He jumped pretty good, didn't he?
Yeah.
I think that was worth it.
Yeah.
Oh boy. My cat died this summer. And you might be thinking, dude, what's the big deal? It's a cat. Well, once upon a time, I had 2 Mustangs. And mice got into both headliners, had to replace them both. That was $500 a piece. That was like 15 years ago. Ever since then, I've said, no more mice. And I've always had a cat. Our cat, 13 years old, heart issue, dead. So I picked up this little assassin. His name is Scout, the newest member of the family. Welcome, killer. Here we go, guys. Driving the Nomad to work. First time since I've owned it. First time in 3 years. Finally got all the electrical done. Got the license on the back. All insured. We made it. It actually ran really good. Idled good. Got on the highway and it worked great. I think the reliability is coming up. Confidence is coming up. We're on the return ride home from work. Gas gauge works, speedometer doesn't work. Dang it. We picked up Ratatouille at the bowling alley.
Oh yeah.
And there he is,
Chef
Cameraman
Junior.
Jacob.
Chef Junior.
What do you guys think of this ride so far?
Oh, I like it, but scary. It looks like a Batmobile.
Oh my gosh.
And it sounds like a Bugs car.
Oh my gosh. All right. What do you think, Jacob?
Oh, it's fun.
It's fun. Kind of loud, isn't it?
It's scary.
Scary.
Ginger ride.
Nick, it's not scary. Oh my god.
I'm just giving you crap. I'm just teasing you.
Are you giving me crap?
I'm just teasing you.
Are you giving me crap?
No. I'm teasing you.
All right.
I'm joking.
See you later, Nick.
Adios.
Hey, thanks everybody for watching. Next episode, we're gonna put some new doors on the Nomad. Change out, put some glass in there, see if we can get everything to roll up like it should. Doesn't have any glass in there now. Just trying to get it to be a complete runner. It's a good runner now. I got confidence up to maybe 5-10 mile radius. So confidence is building all the time. We're also coming to the point where we need to decide what color we're gonna paint it. So if you have an opinion, put it down there in the comments and we'll be happy to entertain all thoughts. Thanks again for watching.